how to hide photos on iPhone iOS 16 and fix if it is missing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Launch your Photos application. Here we go. Now firstly what you can do is select the photos to hide. Here I'm gonna select few of these. After you select the photos to hide, at the bottom right corner you can find this three dots option. Tap on it. With that, different options will pop up. Select the option of hide. These items will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. Tap on hide. With that, you have just hide the photos. Now what you can do is head towards the option of settings. Now scroll all the way down and find the option photos. After you find it, open it. Now over here you will find this section of use face ID. Toggle on for that. After you toggle on for this option of use face ID, now whenever you try to open the hidden album, you will need to use your face ID or the passcode. And you will see this option of show hidden album. If you want to show the hidden album, you can toggle on for this option. In the case you want to hide the hidden album, you can just toggle off for this option. With that, you will be good to go. If you are not able to find the hidden album, it might be the case that you have to toggle off for this option. So you can just toggle on for this option. After you check this, you can just close this and open your Photos app. Here we go. Scroll all the way down. Over here you can find this section of utilities. Under that you will find this option of hidden. Open it. You will need to use your face ID or the passcode. With that, you're gonna find all of your hidden photos. So this is how you can hide photos on iPhone iOS 16 and fix if it is missing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.